The Biogradska Gora is the smallest of the 5 national parks in Montenegro, but is second to none with its diversity of plant and animal life. More than 2,000 different plant species bloom here, most of them known in the Northern Hemisphere, and several more. The heart of the national park is its primeval forest, known by the same name. It's one of the last 3 primeval forests in Europe and was put under protection in 1878. Ever since, nature has been left to its own devices to take its wild course. On the edge of the national park, amidst the foothills of the Biogradska mountains, lies the village Lipovo. Miljanka Puletic milks her cows twice a day. She and her husband Miško live in Lipovo. They're self-sufficient, like almost all the people who live here. It's autumn and there's much to do on the farm. Here, small family farms are traditionally run. They're subsistence farmers. If they're lucky, something is left over and can be sold. We've gathered about 10 tons of hay. We need that for about 10 cows. We also have 7, 8 calves that we sell or slaughter. We still need to make 15 to 20 tons of hay. The Puletics have 10 cows and 20 goats. All the animals are raised well, and all their food is natural with no additives. Everything produced is of the highest organic standards. In 1991, Montenegro declared itself an organic nation and supports small farmers in their efforts at sustainable farming as much as possible. Every day, Miljanka makes up to 15 kilos of cheese and the region's speciality, flaky cheese.
It is made differently from other cheeses because you leave the milk to settle overnight. The next morning, you add fresh milk and some lactic acid bacteria.
And she leaves it to thicken for a day under a heavy weight.
This is cheese from yesterday. It's done, and I'm getting it ready for the tasting. I'm making a rolled cheese out of it with cream.
Sad ćemo da pravimo rolovani sa kajmakom.
This is a high-quality cheese and very popular because one can use it in many different ways and make a lot of delicacies from it.
Na mnogo načina različitih degustacija.
A tough life in a picturesque setting. More and more people are leaving the villages and giving up their farms. The government and international funds are trying to support traditional agriculture and give the farmers new opportunities. Miljanka has received this financial support, which she used to build a guest hut. In the small space, She welcomes those who are keen to learn about the rural local life and the making of traditional Montenegrin delicacies.
My main motivation is to show my family, especially my grandchildren, that the work on the field, in the barn, and in the house, that it gives us joy when guests come from afar and are delighted by the nature and by our work on the farm. We don't see it ourselves. We don't realize how beautiful life actually is here.